Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tia Zamara here. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to get my nails done using the products that you see here from Nail Addict LA. They sent me over 6 of their polishes along with this super adorable mini UV LED lamp. The colors that they sent over were Sea, Swing, and Sun, which is this super beautiful buildable nude shade. They also sent me over the White Addict, which, oh my gosh, you guys, this is the perfect white ever. Like one coat and there's no see-through. They also sent me over Black Addict, which is again like the perfect black, super pigmented, chunky, just how I like. They sent over their base, the remover, and their no wipe top coat, along with another shade called Chocolate Dream, which I will swatch for you guys soon. But let me just show you what I'm talking about here. So this white, this was one dip, one coat, no see-through. Perfect. Like, come on now. The Black Addict, super black, super shiny, one coat, and it just covers the whole nail, like one dip, you guys. Also, Sea, Swing, and Sun, y'all, this is my absolute favorite. I have been looking for a shade like this for like my entire life. Like nobody has that perfect nude brown shade. I mean, I maybe I just haven't came across them yet, but Nail Addict LA, they did it for me with this one. This one is buildable. So like that first, you know, swipe is like that perfect jelly kind of like nude color, 2 coats, baby. Perfect nude. This next color is called Chocolate Dream. Now, I probably would have called this like rum raisin or something because it has like a more of a red undertone to it. But nonetheless, I used all of these polishes with the Best in Town Dipped Nail Co. So come along with me to get my nails done and see how we did the thing. The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tia Zamara here. This video is brought to you by the Nail Addict LA. They sent me over a few different nail polishes as well as their base coat, top coat, remover, and all of that good stuff to get my nails did and show you guys how good their products are. So right now I'm on my way to the Best in Town Dipped Nail Co. and I'm bringing you guys with me. See you guys when I get there.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Perfect. All right, you guys, so the rest of this video is mainly going to be just a cute little vibe. Gonna play some good music for you guys and let you guys see the behind the scenes process of how Dipped Nail Co. gets the best nails on the 757. But first, I just gotta take a minute of y'all time to just brag about my girl real quick because my nails are perfect, honey, okay? I ain't never, in my 25, almost 26 years of living, I ain't never, like, I've been getting my nails done since I was 14 years old, you guys, going from nail tech to nail tech, trying to find that perfect person to give me those perfect nails, and I almost gave up, y'all. Like, matter of fact, I did give up, and Dipped Nail Co. whipped me back into shape, whipped me back into reality, and got me all the way together. Like, she gave me the perfect length, the perfect shape, the perfect thickness, and y'all, I ain't even have to go back over her, correct nothing, tell her do this, can you do a little of this, can you know, buff a little bit of this. Y'all, she literally, like, I just came in, told her I like long and I like square, and she did the thing from there, okay? And this polish from Nail Addict LA just really topped it off for me. But y'all, let's talk about it real quick, okay? My nails are like that perfect crisp all around. Y'all gonna see at the end of this video, but my nails are crisp all around. My shape is literally like perfect, like square, like perfect. Perfect edge, perfect, okay, perfect. All right, the thickness is like, it's not thick to where it's giving cinder block, but it's also not thin to where they're just gonna break all off. They're like that perfect amount of thickness to where they're definitely going to last me, and I know they're going to last me because y'all, if you take a look at her Instagram page at Dipped Nail Co., you will see people be coming back 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks later to get their fillings, and not a single nail has broke, not a single nail has chipped, not a single rhinestone is missing, okay? She puts so much effort and soul into her work to make sure that they come out exactly how she wants and exactly how you want. She takes so much pride in her work. She is so professional. She is working in such a clean setting, you guys. Literally everything that you could want in a nail tech. She is going to make sure that she gets the best for her work and for you, okay? Like, y'all, the nails are literally perfect. I've never in my life, I've been wanting nails this perfect for so long, and I could just never find that right person. So instead of you wasting your time trying to search for this person, go to this person just to see that they ain't turn out the way you like, come straight to Dip Nail Co. and she will get you all the way together. And if you're a beginner nail tech, or shoot, even a oldie, baby, you've been in the game but you need some new tips and tricks, she offers classes where she will show you guys her technique in depth and actually explain the process to you to make sure that you can be the best nail tech you can be. She has only been in the game 10 months, you guys, and she is already knocking out the heavy hitters, okay? Y'all, I ain't never, my nails are perfect. Come to Dip Nail Co to get you right. And wait a second, did I mention that she also has DNC goods? Dip Nail Co. goods, baby. She offers body butters, hand scrubs, cuticle oil, baby. She's really knocking them out the park. Like, y'all, please go follow my girl on Instagram at Dip Nail Co. And if you are in the state of Virginia, baby, get your behind to Chesapeake to get your nails done. Shoot, if you all the way in California, baby, fly over to get your nails done, because ain't nobody gonna do your nails as good as this. All right, and now I'm gonna let y'all vibe out to this music and see how my nails came out, because baby, they ain't nothing less than perfect. Okay, let's get into it.
I'm just saying how I feel, man. I ain't one of the Cosbys, I ain't go to Hill, man. I guess the money should have changed them. I guess I should have forgot where I came from. Wait till I get my money right. Then you can't tell me nothing, right? Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Let up the suicide doors. This is my life, homie, you decide yours. I know that Jesus died for us, but I couldn't tell you who the side was, so I parallel double park that motherfucker sideways. Old folks talking about back in my day, but homie, this is my day. Class started 2 hours ago. Oh, am I late? No, I already graduated, and you could live through anything if magic made it. They say I talk with so much emphasis. Ooh, they so sensitive. Don't ever fix your lips like collagen to say something where you gon' end up apologizing. Let me know if it's a problem then. Alright, man, holla then. Till I get my money right. Then you can't tell me nothing, right? Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. I'm done. Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap, being flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way ain't hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17 sip it only 'cause you know you poppin'. All that junk inside your trunk. I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump. My hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drop these stuff that's crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all these ices. Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana. Karen, they be sharing all their money. Got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass. And 7 G's to religion. I say no, but they keep giving. So I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking.
But I never stop that down.
Seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot clock? With you waiting all the gliding, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't press my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, but I won't think twice. Better than fuck up your pride. Going on, just going on. Oh yeah. When that nigga pull up on me, tell that nigga baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish to take her back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Oh my gosh. No, stop.
Hold on, wait.
Oh, good. See, I was ready. See? Okay. Hey everybody, go ahead and follow me at Dip Nail Co. on IG. We just did a bomb set with Nail Addict LA. So go ahead and purchase their items. We use all of their stuff. So go ahead and purchase these items. I'm tired. Bye.
It is what it should be. Being pretend, but I feel